Mary here. I'm a brand ambassador for ToAllMyBlackGirls.com, and I'm going to be running through some tutorials on how you can wear your kinky course clip-ins.
I've created a parting at the back of my head, and what I'm doing is I'm using my kinky course clip-ins, which contains 3 clips, and I'm just securing that to that parting section. I then use my fingers and move up a bit, creating a second parting section, and this time around I use my kinky course clip-ins, which contains 5 clips, and I just go along that parting section, clipping as I go. I move up a bit again, using my fingers. I create a parting from one side of my head to the other, and I take my kinky course clip-ins and I add it to this parting section. This set of clip-ins contains 4 clips. I then take a set that contains 3 clips and I add it to the first part of this section. I take a second set of 3 clips and I just go over the section again, but this time going over the second half of the section because I'm trying to create a full look, so I'm trying to use as many clip-ins as possible. This time I'm using 2 clips and I'm applying it to either side of my head, as you can see. I then make sure that I add another kinky course clip-ins. Again, this is 2 clips. I just add that to the middle part of this section. And as you can see, what I'm left with is a little bit at the front, and I take a hairband and I create a top bun. Having done this, I then take some more kinky course clip-ins. This one contains 4 clips, and as you can see, what I do is I wrap this around my top bun, and once I get to the end of this clip-in, I make sure that I clip the clip to the root of my head. I take a second pair of clip-in, and this one also contains 4 clips, and I just go over the first set like so, making sure to wrap it around securely and clipping as I go, and making sure it's as tight as possible so that there's no bumps along the way. Once I've clipped the final clip, I take my hairband and I just wrap that around my front ponytail. And this hairband has a little fastening that opens up so that you can make this gold part secure tightly around your ponytail. Now that I've got my desired look, I make sure that my ponytail covers the sides of my head. And there you have it, a Coming to America inspired hairstyle.
Thank you for watching, and join me again soon as I'll be showing you some more hairstyles you can do with your kinky course clip-ins. To purchase your clip-ins, please visit ToAllMyBlackGirls.com. Bye!